Hello friends, welcome to Technique. This is Nirmal here, and in this video let's talk about the Moto E7 Plus. So Moto E7 Plus is the latest smartphone under the budget series launched by Motorola in India. So they have launched the Moto G9 few days back, and now we have the Moto E7 Plus. So this is the new Moto E7 Plus. So this is a budget smartphone priced below the 10,000 price segment, and it has some interesting aspects. One of them is that 48 megapixel sensor, the Samsung GM1 sensor. Then you also get a 5000 mAh capacity battery, an HD plus resolution display, and a clean and stock Android experience. And on top of that, it also comes with a decent overall experience, the Qualcomm Snapdragon 460 octa-core processor. So that's the hardware. So let's talk about this device. So first up, let's have a look at the design. So we are not doing the regular unboxing. Instead, we will talk about the experience and our first impressions using the device. So first up, if you look at the design, it's a well built phone. In fact, we actually like this back panel design. It's a matte finish and it feels actually premium. If you look closely, it actually feels pretty premium for the price segment, and the dual color also gives a good in-hand feel overall. And you can see that this is a soft or rather matte finish, and feels really nice. The camera unit also is quite good. You have the LED flash on the top, the two sensors, 48 megapixel sensor and a depth sensor, and the fingerprint scanner below that, and the Moto logo is also integrated there. Very clean interface in the back panel. So in terms of the design aspect, you can see that the right side houses the SIM tray. It is a hybrid slot. Then on the right side you get this power key and the volume rocker keys, and you also get a dedicated Google button on the top. The top portion has a 3.5mm audio jack, and the bottom section has the USB Type-C port as well as the speaker unit included. So that's the design aspect. Now overall the in-hand feel is quite good. The front panel has an HD plus resolution display, and you can see that a water drop notch includes the 8 megapixel selfie camera. You can see that the bezels are kind of good for the price segment it is being offered. It's kind of okay, and the display quality is quite good. Now we would say that the display brightness wasn't impressive, especially when we are outdoors testing the camera. The display brightness was kind of slightly lower. We would have felt slightly better display in terms of brightness levels, but otherwise the touch response is quite smooth and feels quite good. The colors are also kind of okayish. Now talking about the software, so as usual this device comes with the stock Android. So Moto's stock Android is included here. So you can see that this is the stock experience. So about phone, you can see that it has the stock Android and the Moto E7 Plus Android 10, and Moto is also promising updates for this device. Security patches and updates are promised by the company, and it also comes with Moto's regular apps, including the personalization apps, the Moto display. You can see here gestures, Moto display, wallpaper customization, peak display, then you can see other options included. So styles and customizations are also included here. So this is the UI, and you can see that it feels quite good. Now talking about the cameras, so this device has a 48 megapixel Samsung GM1 sensor, and it also has a depth sensor. You also get an 8 megapixel selfie camera. Now 48 megapixel sensor, very few smartphones have given 48 megapixel sensor below the 10,000 price segment. So this is something which is quite good, and here are some camera samples we have taken with the Moto E7 Plus. We will be doing a detailed camera review later, so stay tuned for that. Now this device also comes with a large 5000 mAh capacity battery, which should be able to last like 2 days because it's an HD plus resolution display. Now there is also the 10 watt charger included, which maybe at least Moto could have given a slightly better charging, but again considering the price segment, we don't complain too much here. But again, you get a good battery life on this device. So that was the first impressions of the Moto E7 Plus. So if you're looking for a clean and stock Android experience with promised updates, a 48 megapixel camera and a large capacity battery, the Moto E7 Plus is definitely a good offering. It may not be the best out there in terms of hardware being offered, especially the processor, because it's a Qualcomm Snapdragon 460 octa-core processor, which is actually a good processor. In fact, if you have actually tried the 460, it's a pretty good processor. It's comparable to some of the Helio G series processor. In fact, the gaming is kind of better here. So we have also tested this processor in a few other smartphones, so they have come quite good. So considering that, the pricing, we expect this pricing to be around 9,999 or maybe lower, but 9,999 is what we expect. So for that pricing, we feel this is kind of good experience. A couple of things: one is the battery, very good battery life, then clean and stock UI, no ads whatsoever, and promised updates, and third is the 48 megapixel sensor. So these are the three main highlights of the Moto E7 Plus. So let's wait for the pricing. Once we get hold of the pricing, we'll update in the comment section. So hope this video was useful. Do hit that like button and also hit the subscribe button for more videos. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you in our next video. Have a great day.